Andrew, can you rinse the raspberries? Rinse the raspberries. Andrew, can I see your face? Can I see your face? Andrew, look at Dad and smile. Look at Dad and smile. Show your rinsing face. Andrew, can you look at Dad? Andrew, look at Dad and smile for the camera.
Yeah. All right, thanks. Bye.
Andrew, look at Dad.
Okay.
How many raspberries have you rinsed on your face?
I'm glad you guys enjoyed it.
Andrew, can I see your face? Look at Dad. Look at Dad, please.